Use proper ventilation to protect yourself from the harmful gases produced by welding. Wear safety glasses to protect your eyes. Wear a jacket to protect your skin from the UV rays and to prevent spatter from falling on you. Use a helmet to protect your head and to protect your vision. Use gloves to protect your hand from the heat produced by the welder. Use metal clamps because they are sturdy and will not fail on you. Plastic clamps are useful, however, they will melt. Be cautious when welding because it's very hot.